content creator and I receive comments on my Instagram very frequently. Now I want to reply to each of my comments because I want to interact with my audience. But as I receive 1000 plus comments every single day, replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time consuming part. What can be the solution to this? So now I have created this amazing setup that you can see on the screen, that with the help of Gemini, now you can automatically reply to your Instagram comments right away. Let me show you how. I'm going to post a new comment on my Instagram profile. My Instagram page is Jessie Matthew. I'm going to create a new comment and you will see in front of you instantly I will receive the reply to that comment. So let me open a different account. So I have opened a different account, you can see right over here in the name of Michelangelo, okay? So now what I will do is I will create a new comment on my Jessie Matthew account right here. Let's suppose I'm going to create a comment on this post, this one, okay? So now I will write the comment over here as amazing content, I love it. I will post this comment from my account. As now I've posted this comment, it will take few seconds for the entire Gemini agent to run and then I will receive the reply. I will refresh this page now. Now as I have refreshed this page, you will see I have received the reply to my comment. Thank you so much. So glad you're loving it. So as now I've received the reply to the same post successfully, this is how this amazing setup is going to work. And now if you want to learn how you can create this entire setup for yourself as well, stay tuned till the end of this video. And in the between of my video, I have an amazing surprise just for you. So watch that as well, okay? So now I have created this AI agent using Gemini without need of any coding and programming skills. It's very easy to create this setup. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing Gemini AI agent. I'm using Pabbly Connect to create this amazing automation. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and you will come to this landing page. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, don't worry. Simply sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create this setup right away, absolutely paying nothing. Test it out from your end, how it is going to work, and then you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans to get unlimited tasks to create such amazing automations. If you're planning to do so, do use the code that you can see on the left side of my screen. That's the gift for you, with the help of which you will get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase of your yearly and lifetime plan. Sign in from here and you will come to the Pabbly Connect's dashboard just like this. Now to create a new workflow, go towards this create workflow option. We are going to select this option of create using quick builder. This is a new workflow builder with the help of it. Just by giving a simple prompt towards the AI, we can generate the entire template of our workflow. So I will select this option from here. Now after coming to this option, now we have to enter what I requested. I want to automatically generate Instagram comment replies with the help of Gemini and post the replies as well. So I will enter that prompt right over here, what I want in this field section. So this is my requirement. I want Google AI Studio Gemini to reply to my new Instagram comments and post a reply as a thread. So I will share this request towards this AI flow builder. It will analyze my request. I want in my Instagram developer, as soon as I will receive a new comment, automatically my Google AI Studio should first generate the comment and then it should reply back to the comment. So this is what I actually want. I will approve and create and open this workflow from here. So as now the template of this workflow is created, now the process is very simple. Just build the connections and your entire setup will be created, okay? So now let's build the connection. Let's set up our trigger right over here. Go to this connected option and go towards this add new connection option. Now to create the connection between Instagram developer and Pabbly Connect, you need to provide your access token and the account identifier. Now from where you will find the details. As you have an Instagram developer account, you will have your own Instagram developer set up just like this, where you can generate the access token from here, from this section. If you want to learn how you can create this entire developer setup, you can check out the video in the description section below. I will generate the new token from this section right here and I will enter everything and show you. So I will first log into my Instagram account after clicking on the button. After logging in, you will see over here it will ask for the permission next, for which you have to click on this allow button. As soon as you will do that, automatically over here, click on this I understand option, and the token will be generated, copied from here, pasted down in this field. For the account identifier, this is the account identifier, copied from here and pasted down here, and click on this save button. That is how you build the connection between Instagram developer and Pabbly Connect. After the connection is created, click on this save and send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Instagram developer new comment is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, with the help of another account, I will post a new comment and check whether my trigger captures the response of the new comment been created or not. Okay, so let me open my different account. So this is my different account, and now let me select another post right here where I'm going to add a new comment. Okay, so I will add a new comment on this post. Okay, so now my next post is, so my next comment is, you have amazing products, I really like them. Okay, so I will post this comment right over here. As soon as I will post this comment through a different account on my Instagram account right here. Now if I'm going to go back to my workflow in the trigger, within few seconds you will see the response of the same comment will be captured. It will take 15 to 20 seconds for the response to arrive, and you can see right over here I have received this new comment. If I'll further scroll down, this is the comment, you have an amazing products, I really like them. This was the comment that I've posted, has now been captured over here in my trigger. This means that Instagram for Business is connected to Pabbly Connect. As now I've received this response of the comment, with the help of Gemini, let's generate the reply to this comment as well. For that, we're going to set up this Google AI Studio step. Click on this connect button and go towards this add new connection option. We need to provide the API key. For that, directly go towards this hyperlink of Google AI Studio. You will come to the playground page of your Google AI account. Go towards this get API section, and now you have to create the key from this section right over here, but I've already created mine, so I'm going to copy it from here, paste it down in the field, and click on the save button to build the connection. As now the connection has been created, firstly it is asking for the text. What is this text? Text is the prompt with the help of which Google AI Studio, that's Gemini, is going to generate the content according to our request. Now in Gemini, what you do, you add in your request over here in the field. Gemini will understand your query, analyze the query, and generate the reply for you accordingly. So this is how this text prompt also work. Over here you enter the prompt once and the Gemini will generate the reply forever. Okay, so now for the text over here to generate Instagram comment reply, I'm going to write over here as, so this is the reply. You are an AI social media assistant for Instagram. Your task is to reply to Instagram comments in friendly, engaging, short and human-like tone. So now if you want this entire prompt that I have taken, which is going to perfectly generate the Instagram comment replies for you as well, comment down below in the comment section and I will share you the prompt instantly. Okay, so now this is the entire prompt. It is asking for the comment. So now for the data of this comment field, I will map the data. Where you need to map the data, add a slash. Previous step is going to appear where you have to search for the comment. So this is the comment for which I want to generate the reply. So I will select the data of this comment from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. For the model to use, I am using Gemini Pro Latest. So I will search over here for Gemini Pro Latest and select it. Content method is going to be generate content, and I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I've done that, within few seconds I have received the reply. Thank you so much. Do you have a favorite yet? Okay, so I have received this amazing interactive comment reply from Gemini. Now if the viewer is going to read the comment, it is going to give the reply back to this AI comment as well, which will create more audience engagement on my Instagram page. So as now we have received this perfect reply for the comment, let's post it back on our Instagram account. Click on this connect button. I will select the existing connection that I've created before, and now we have to enter the comment ID first. Now for the comment ID, you have to enter the value ID C. Okay, so now add a slash where you want to map the data and search for the value ID right here. So now this is my value ID. I will select this data, and for the message I will map the data of this content that is generated by Gemini. Click on the save and send test request button. You will receive another ID which is a positive response, and on my Instagram page, if I'll go back to my profile only, you will see if I'm going to go back to the post where I've posted the comment, yes, this was the post, you will see I have received the reply. Also I forwarded the reply. Thank you so much. Do you have a favorite yet, towards the comment that we have recently posted. As now the reply has been posted successfully. This is how this amazing setup is created with the help of Gemini. Now whenever you will receive a new comment on your Instagram post, Gemini will analyze the comment and create the perfect reply and post it back on your Instagram profile. In this manner, you can interact and engage with your viewers frequently. You will always reply, you will be on time, and the replies will be amazing through Gemini AI agent. Okay, so if you have questions or doubts related to this video, do comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. You need the prompt, comment for the prompt, and I will show you the prompt as well. Do use the code ANGYT that's on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect. With that, if you want the free template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.